Questions for the subject of veterinary and animal sciences for Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission. Human exams are also related. Oh, Pakistani service commissions are also questions are related to that. Volume of semen in boar is 250 ml. Drug of choice for theileriosis is Boparvacon. Most effective drug for cystidiasis. Cystod's drug of choice is praziquantel. Lambert switcher is not applied in esophagus. Anti-nutritional factor present in cottonseed is gossypol. Drug which prevent platelet aggregation is aspirin. Range of rumen pH is 5 to 7. Number of lumbar vertebrae in dogs are 7. Longest muscle in the body is longissimus dorsi. Uh, Organism which causes aflatoxicosis is Penicillium labri. Aspergillus flavus was not found in our answers. Aspergillus should be the first option, then the Penicillium labri causes the aflatoxicosis. Organism causes brooder pneumonia is Aspergillus fumigatus. Gonadotropic releasing hormone is secreted from hypothalamus. Hormone that is released in high amount in second day of stage after labor is oxytocin. Dilated pupil and fish eye appearance seen in stage 4 of anesthesia. Heart of bovine is attached to pericardio-sternal ligament. Stage 4 is also known as the medullary paralysis stage, but not sure. Heart of bovine is attached to pericardio-sternal ligament. Largest antibody type is GAM. It is combination of 5 antibodies. Antibody which is lining in the mucosal surface is immunoglobulin A. Viral genome contains either DNA or RNA, but never both. Virus which contain reverse transcription enzyme is retroviridity. For closing of uterine incision sutures should be started at ovarian end. For closing of uterine incision sutures should be started from ovarian end. Catgut is obtained from submucosa of sheep. Horse is seasonally polyestrous animal. Purkinje cells are present in cerebellum. Cerebellum is the part of brain. Drug inhibiting cell wall synthesis is penicillin. Penicillin and cephalosporin, carbapenem and monobactams inhibit the cell wall synthesis. Organism devoid of cell wall is mycoplasma, so mycoplasma will have no effect of penicillin, cephalosporins, carbapenem and monobactams, as it do not have cell wall, and the penicillin or these penicillin, cephalosporin, carbapenem and monobactam, they hit the cell wall. Microscopic lesion in bovine spongiform encephalopathy is vacuolation of neurons. Cyclozoonosis is related to echinococosis. Long-acting local anesthetic is bupivacaine, which dose is related to highly toxic drugs. 1 to 50 mg per kg body weight is related to highly toxic drugs. Accepted fluoride content in water is 1 gram 1 mg per liter. It will be 1 parts per million, 1 ppm. Vector for leishmaniasis is phlebotomus. Stomach fluke of bovine is paraphystomiasis. Pipe stem liver is caused by Fasciola hepatica. Organism not having filaments, Mycobacterium. Irritable non-ionic drug should be administered in intravenous route. Intravenous route is the route for irritable non-ionic drug. Example of brachiocephalic breed is pug. Acute gangrenous myositis is associated with blackwater. Blackwater has the acute gangrenous myositis and crepitating sounds from these muscles, and mostly these muscles are with having very large area. Uh, Organisms causing interstitial nephritis is Leptospira. Most abundant leukocyte type in bovines is lymphocytes. Blood cells containing granules toxic to parasite are eosinophils. Nucleated thrombocytes are seen in fowl. Fowl also has the nucleated red blood cells. Camel is induced ovulator. Camel and cat is induced ovulator. Diffused pus in connective tissue is known as phlegmon. Bilateral tubular impotency. Impotency is repeat breeding. Bilateral tubular impotency causes repeat breeding. Reference test for rabies is fluorescent antibody technique or fluorescent antibody test. It is for reference test for rabies. Rabies is neutrophilic virus. Rabies is a neurotropic virus as it spreads through neurons and ultimately reaches the brain, that causes the death of animal or human. Gasping observed in which disease? Infectious laryngotracheitis has gasping. Immunodeficiency or IBD disease is due to destruction of B lymphocytes. T cell maturation occur in thymus. B cell maturation occur in bursa. Infectious stage of schistosoma is Zirkeri. Kobani test for pregnancy diagnosis is done in mare. Duration of spermatogenesis in buffalo is 64 days. Drainage of middle ear provided through Zep's operation. Zep's operation leads to drainage of middle ear. Feline distemper is also known as feline leukopenia. Ketone bodies in urine is due to hypoglycemia, and ketone bodies are detected through the Rose-Rothra test. Smallest virus is the FMD virus, that is the ephthovirus of Picorna viridi. Pico mean very small unit, RNA pico very small, RNA virus mean it is RNA virus. Picorna virus of ephthovirus of Picorna viridi family. Which one of the following is a live vaccine? Brucella S9 vaccine is the live vaccine. Brucella has live vaccines. Breech presentation is also known as posterior longitudinal position. Diagnosis of Campylobacter is done by vaginal mucus agglutination test. Dolphin and whales breathe through lungs. They are mammals. Agar contains carbohydrates. Raw egg feeding in dogs causes deficiency of biotin, as biotin is deficient, as egg is deficient of biotin. Paralysis of hindquarter is known as paraplegia. Garlic odor of food content is seen in phosphorus poisoning. Phosphorus poisoning will have garlic odor of food content. Antidote for lead poisoning is calcium sodium EDTA. EDTA is also used as anticoagulant of the blood, and it is the antidote of lead poisoning too. Bronze colored liver is seen in fowl typhoid. It is commonly asked question, bronze liver in fowl typhoid. Fowl typhoid is caused by Pasteurella multocida. Ulceration in abomasum is in theileriosis. Cecal coccidiosis is caused by Emeria tinella. Emeria acerulina causes the first part of the intestine. Sugar needed for multiplication of brucella is erythritol, that is produced by the fetus at late gestation. Bovine ovis in sheep causes epidermitis. Ovulation occur after end of estrus in bovines. Largest deer species is Barasingha. The common species present in South Punjab is the chinkara. Route of infection in ankylostoma species is skin penetration. Ankylostoma can penetrate the skin. Brucella cannot penetrate the skin. This is also called asked question. Vagus nerve is mixed nerve. Pearls is seen in squamous cell carcinoma. Ingestion of lantana plant is associated with photosensitivity. Vitamin A is given to the persons, animal or humans, which have the night blindness. Night blindness treatment is vitamin A. And lantana plant causes the photosensitivity. Motility of bacteria is due to fimbriae, and vitamin A rich source is liver. Which of the following is an extracellular organism? Trypanosoma is an extracellular organism. Diabetes insipidus is due to deficiency of antidiuretic hormone, or ADH deficiency causes diabetes insipidus. Recent outbreak in avian influenza is due to H5N1. It is zoonotic. Thawing temperature of semen is 37 degrees centigrade for 30 seconds. Hedger's disease is caused by E. coli. Chemical used for control of snail population is copper sulfate. Copper sulfate is also an antiviral agent. Agent for blister is bin iodide of mercury. Dry matter feeding of cattle is 3% of body weight. In right side torsion, animal should be casted on right side. In left side torsion, animal should be casted on left side. The side of torsion will be the side of casting the animal. Nerve block done for examination of penis and prepuce, pudendal nerve block. Destruction of free radicals is associated with vitamin E, selenium and vitamin E, as they both are the antioxidants. Example of angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitor is captopril. For horn surgery in goat, nerve be blocked as the cornual and infratrochlear nerve block. Cornual nerve block and infratrochlear nerve block is used for horn surgery. For preventing radiation hazard, wear an apron made of lead. Spermatid is basically haplide, or the gametes are haplide including the sperms and ova. Epsilon toxin is associated with enterotoxemia that causes that is caused by Clostridium species. Which ligament should be cut in CLP? Median patellar ligament. Navicular bone is the name of distal sigmoid bone. Sigmoid bone are the accessory or smallest bones. They are smallest in humans, but they may be developed or well developed in animals. Navicular bone is the name of distal sigmoid bone. Vitamin administered in decomoral poisoning is vitamin K. Antidote of decomoral poisoning is vitamin K. Bioterrorism is associated with anthrax. Visceral larva migrants is caused by Toxoplasma canis. Organism present in pulmonary artery is Dirophilaria immitis. The another organism present in blood is the schistosoma. Schistosoma is blood, also the blood parasite, but specifically pulmonary artery will have Dilophilaria immitis. Programmed cell death is synonymous for apoptosis. Gestation period of horse is 11 months 11 days. Cattle is 9 months 9 days. Buffalo 10 months 10 days. Goat 5 months 5 days. Cat, dog 2 months 2 days. Organ to be examined in postmortem examination of diaphragm. Organ to be examined in postmortem examination of Trichinella spiralis is diaphragm. Diaphragm infects or affects Trichinella spiralis. Glial cells are present in brain. Calcitonin is secreted from thyroid hormone. Bovine spongiform encephalopathy is not related to mycoplasma, and the related to mycoplasma are the contagious canine pleuropneumonia, contagious bovine pleuropneumonia, and chronic respiratory disease. Mycoplasma causes the respiratory diseases. Liver develops from endoderm. Liver is developed from endoderm. DLLP, digestive system. Lung, liver, pancreas. Digestive system, lung, liver, pancreas are developed from endoderm. Which one of the following is called endogenous antigen? A major histocompatibility complex 1 MHC1 is called as the endogenous antigen. Inflammation of hoof is known as laminitis. Lung is distinctly lobulated in cattle. The kidney of cattle and lung, both of the cattle are lobulated. Which one lens is used in electron microscope? Electrostatic are the lens that are used in electron microscope.